going on? My flight lands and...
Hey!
No, what?
Stop fighting with us!
The charge is going to be disorderly intoxication.
They only serve you one double drink. You can't be that intoxicated from just one double.
At a Florida airport, 2 separate body camera recordings captured alcohol-related disturbances aboard commercial aircraft. Both incidents ended with arrests under Florida's disorderly intoxication statute. In the first incident, a passenger identified as Cameron refused to leave her flight after the cabin crew reported a disturbance. The footage in this analysis was obtained through public records and is presented for legal review. Under Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 46504, interference with the duties of a flight crew member is a federal offense. The aircraft's captain also holds broad statutory authority to remove any passenger deemed a safety risk.
Don't sit down, it's kicking!
Give me the...
What's your name?
I'm sorry?
What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron? Cameron, can you do me a favor and grab your stuff and come off the plane with me so we can talk, please?
I'm sorry. What's going on?
The airline needs you off the plane, and they called us. They supposedly asked you to get off the plane multiple times, so now we're here, and
I haven't gotten any notification to get off the plane. My flight leaves to Houston, and then it goes to Kansas City. Look.
Okay.
Look,
so,
I have not gotten anything to get off the plane.
No, they came and asked you personally.
Really?
So what I need you to do is I need you to come with me, please.
But why?
Because we need to
go home.
We need to talk to you off the plane.
About what?
About what's going on
You
here.
can talk to me here. Look, my flight, look, it departs at 7:45. It lands in Kansas City at 11:30.
So you're telling me that the flight attendants and the captain didn't come back and ask you to get off the plane since they had to taxi back here?
No captain has came back to me. I just need to get home.
The flight attendant. Okay. The flight attendant come ask you to leave the plane?
I just need to get home. This is when my flight leaves.
Okay.
This is when I land.
Okay. So
I've literally just been sitting here. I just need to go home.
Okay. Did you realize that the plane already left and came back to the gate?
No, literally, my flight leaves. It was supposed to leave at 7:55 p.m. from New Orleans. It lands in Houston, and then I stay in the same plane in Houston.
Okay.
And then I go to Kansas City.
Okay, but right now, you're going to come talk to us off the plane, please.
Why?
Okay? Because we need you to, because the flight attendants have asked you to exit the plane. So we don't want to have a fight about this. We don't want these problems.
I don't either. I'm just confused.
Okay.
I just need to go home.
After you come off the plane.
Can you explain to me why I need to get off the plane? I'm really confused why we need to get off the plane.
Because the flight attendants have asked you to get off the plane already.
Why?
Because they need you off the plane.
Why?
Because you were causing a
I've
disturbance.
literally been sitting here by myself. My name is Cameron, and no one has been on here with me. I am not going to argue with you guys. I've been on here.
You need to get your stuff.
Literally, my stuff is right here.
We need to leave the plane right now. Let's get your stuff and let's go.
Are you guys going to pay for my flight home?
To remove you from the plane, unbuckle your seatbelt, get your stuff.
I've literally been sitting
and
here.
Let's go.
If you don't leave the aircraft with us, then everybody has to come off the plane, including
Can you
you.
explain to me what the problem is, please?
You're causing a disturbance.
So
what did I do?
You had your foot up on their seat.
Can you not just?
Regard to the person?
No, I will move it. I will literally move it.
Okay.
What is the problem? I just want to get home.
Cameron.
I will literally move. What is the issue?
Come on.
You'd be foolish enough to have your foot on.
No, I will literally move. What is the issue here? No.
Do you have a bag up here?
No, I'm just confused what the issue is.
We're going to talk to you more. You just heard them say that you have to come off the plane, or they're going to deboard the entire plane.
Deboard the entire plane because what?
No, we're not going to do that.
They forcibly remove you. You're going to jail.
Cameron.
And then you're not going your
Cameron.
What is the issue? I have been sitting in here
Cameron.
waiting to go home.
I've explained it. This young lady's explained it.
No.
The flight attendants explained it.
No, the flight attendant did not explain anything.
Yeah, she did.
No, there was no female over here. I'm confused what the issue is.
Do me a favor. Please don't make us.
I'm not trying to cause an issue.
Listen. Please don't make us forcibly
I just need to get
you from the
home.
plane.
My flight literally leaves.
All right.
My
Come
flight.
with me. Come with me.
Is this your bag?
Yeah,
Come with me.
No.
Come with me. Cameron.
I need to get home to Kansas City tonight.
Cameron, come with me.
No, I need to. Can you guarantee me I'll get home to Kansas City tonight?
There's a waiver.
Can you guarantee me I'll get home to where my flight? Literally, I paid money to book a flight.
Listen to me.
Are you guys gonna refund my flight if I don't get home?
Cameron, listen to me.
I'm
You're being videotaped by us.
Okay, videotape me then.
I can tell that you're obviously intoxicated.
Yeah.
All right. and they've asked you to come off the plane. Now, you can come off peacefully, or we can handcuff you and take you off.
Really? Can you guarantee that my flight gets in at 11:30 p.m. when I paid for my flight?
We gotta go to the
Come on,
front
Cameron.
desk.
I paid for my flight to land at 11:30 p.m. tonight.
Right.
Are you gonna get me there?
Cameron,
Come on.
Are you gonna get me at 11:30 p.m. when I paid for my flight?
come on, nice and easy.
Sir, my bags are right there.
No, we got your bag and your phone.
Sir, I'm so confused what's happening.
Just walk with us.
No, I'm literally. No, I am so confused what's happening. I'm literally just trying to go home. Like, no.
We're getting you home.
God. My God.
Cameron?
Why is literally home? Why the what the is going on? Can someone just explain this to me? Please? Can someone please just explain this to me? Please just explain this to me?
Do we have a
Please.
wheelchair?
If we explain it, are you gonna listen?
Literally, my flight left New Orleans at 7:55 p.m. It lands in Houston.
Don't.
No, my flight lands in.
Hey,
No, what?
stop fighting with us.
No, literally, what the?
Fighting.
No, literally, what the? You need to fight
You
me.
keep, Cameron.
No, fight me.
Florida Statutes. Section 856.011 defines disorderly intoxication. It requires that a person be intoxicated and either endanger the safety of another or cause a public disturbance in a place where alcohol consumption is prohibited. The offense is a second-degree misdemeanor. Under Florida Statutes, Section 775.082, it carries up to 60 days in county jail, and under Section 775.083, a fine of up to $500, plus possible probation. When Cameron refused to deplane, the officer warned she could exit peacefully or be handcuffed. At that moment, the encounter shifted from consensual contact to a custodial arrest under the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. Under Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, any force used during the arrest must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not judged with hindsight. Cameron began kicking at officers. Her resistance supports a charge of resisting an officer with violence under Florida statutes. Section 843.01. A third-degree felony. A lesser version, resisting without violence, appears in Section 843.02. She was also subject to battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute Section 784.07. A third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years in state prison. Audio in the footage confirms these charges were announced on scene. Tactically, the officer's decision to use a wheelchair to transport an actively resisting subject through the jet bridge minimized injury risk in a confined space and reduced the visual intensity of the removal for surrounding passengers. Cameron's profanity directed at officers is not, by itself, a crime. Under City of Houston v. Hill, decided in 1987, the Supreme Court held that offensive speech directed at law enforcement officers is protected by the First Amendment.
Fight me, please. Fight me.
No.
We're gonna get a
Fight me,
wheelchair.
fight me, please.
Yeah.
Fight me. Do it. Fight me.
Bruce, you going to get a wheelchair?
Fight
Chuck.
me. Do it. Fight me. Do it. Fight me. Do it.
Stop.
Stop, Cameron,
Fight
please.
me. Do it.
You're not flying on that flight. It's unnecessary all that you're doing.
Fight me. Oh my God, you guys are such hard asses.
We're not trying to be, Cameron.
Well, you guys are.
Can you,
Literally,
will you
I
get up and walk?
No, literally, you fat. Give me the home.
We were trying.
No, the you guys are not. Give me the home. I will you guys up.
Cameron, we're going to sit you in a wheelchair, all right?
No, literally, just give me the home.
Don't sit down. It's kicking. Cameron, stop kicking.
No, give me the home.
Stop kicking,
No,
Cameron,
give me
please.
the
All right, stop,
no,
Cameron.
no.
Cameron, you have to take a flight to go home. You can't just like.
Then give me the home.
Well, you need to cooperate.
Give me the
Stop, get her off the chair. Stop kicking, Cameron.
Then give me the home. Then give me the home.
Does anybody have a hobble?
I got to have on the car. Keep resisting.
Please give me the home so bad.
Hey,
Please
don't you me. You fight me,
so bad.
don't you
Go lower.
They hurt me so
not gonna anymore.
And get me the home. And get me home, please. It hurts so bad. Can you please?
Do you want to sit in the chair and we'll wheelchair you up now?
Can you please just get me home, please? I literally just want to get home and I'm flying home. I literally haven't drank since hours ago. I just want to go. Please. Please.
Come on, girl.
No, this isn't even funny. Please just.
No, it's not.
No, please just get me home.
We're trying, Cameron.
No, you guys are not. You guys are and you guys get funny because you guys think I'm get this shit out of you and I won't. Please just get me home.
Alright, we're gonna sit you up, put you in the chair.
No, I literally just no. I just want to go home. You guys, literally you guys.
Alright, here we go.
I don't even know where my other shoe
We got it.
Horrible police officers and they deserve to be prosecuted. These guys that love to fuck single white women because we are independent and cannot stand up for ourselves because they can take advantage of us because they're fucking Please pull the hair out of my mouth. Can you please pull the hair out of my mouth? Please. Please pull the hair out of my mouth. Please pull the hair out of my mouth and pull the hair out of my mouth.
Alright, here.
Can you tell me now what's gonna go on?
Alright, now let's go.
No, can you tell me now what's gonna go on?
You're gonna be put in a cell,
For why?
so we can handle our paperwork.
For why? For what?
Cameron,
Then tell me. Tell me then.
you caused a disturbance on
What
the plane.
did I do?
Now
What
you're
did I
being
do?
arrested.
Okay, what did I do? Tell me
Caused
what
a
I did.
disturbance on the plane.
The second incident at the same Florida airport involved a married couple detained at the gate after the flight captain reported that one of them had verbally threatened a flight attendant in the aircraft cabin before takeoff. A nearby passenger agreed to provide a sworn statement. Under Florida law, an officer may make a warrantless misdemeanor arrest, not committed in his presence when an affray or breach of peace is witnessed by a person willing to testify. Whether the spoken words constitute a threat depends on context and reasonable interpretation. Florida Statutes Section 836.1 covers written threats, while verbal threats may be charged as assault under Florida Statutes Section 784.011. The deputy gave the couple a conditional warning. Acting like gentlemen would mean being treated like gentlemen. This is a textbook example of command presence with a clear off-ramp, taught in modern police de-escalation training programs. Before finalizing the arrest, the deputy interviewed the flight crew on camera. The female subject was charged with disorderly intoxication under Florida Statutes Section 856.011. Her husband was released and not charged at the scene.
Tell me what I did then. Tell me what I did. Tell me what I did.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on.
I literally did nothing. I'm just trying to get home. I am just trying to get home. And they won't let me. They won't let me. Because I did not do shit. I just want to get home so bad. I just want to get home so bad. I don't even know what I did. And these assholes are arresting me for nothing.
Don't kick,
No,
Cameron.
I'm gonna stop.
Stop kicking.
No.
Stop kicking.
No. Pull my hair all you want, assholes.
I got her.
No.
I got her ticket.
What are you guys gonna text me? Do that Fuck you guys. At least take this from me. What?
So here's the deal.
I really am lost here.
First of all, we got a call from the flight captain saying you two are causing disturbance. You got cut off, I guess, drinking or whatever, and somebody had made a... I'm freaking talking.
I'm sorry.
Don't interrupt me again.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So you two are causing disturbance, have been drinking, and so they made some threats about taking care of some flight attendant out in the parking lot.
What?
Yep. They're willing to swear a statement on it. So, stand against the fence. Stand against the fence. We're going to conduct some business. As long as you act like a gentleman, you get treated like one. But if you give me or my deputies any problems, you're going to have a bad night.
No problem.
All right.
No problem at all.
Well, because you guys are drunk. Yeah, you're drunk. I can smell it. I'm not stupid.
Oh, we've been drinking.
I can tell.
That is not
It's
what we
obvious
said,
you've been
though.
drinking. I can smell it.
We had a drink on the plane, but
Yeah, I know you did. It filled me in. Apparently you didn't like the way some things were handled by the flight crew, and you guys said stuff you should have.
No.
freaking problem whatsoever.
Well, you know what?
I'm just going to say the only thing that I was...
Save it. Save it. Save it. It is what it is. You can't. When it comes to flights, there's no tolerance.
We're apparently wrong, so it don't
There's no
matter.
tolerance on flights. It's too dangerous.
We had not observed any slurring, anything that all four of us didn't recognize anything that they were inebriated.
Okay, so they, in your opinion, they were sober when they walked in.
Yeah, I
Okay.
was that agreeing with everybody here? We didn't notice any alcoholic behavior
I didn't
from
notice
them.
anything.
Okay.
No, nobody observed anything. So we did serve them doubles. After we passed them, and we were about 3 or 4 rows ahead, the woman seated in A, and I don't know her name is in here, she was cursing. And I politely walked back, kind of quietly addressed her and said, if we could just please not curse and just kind of keep your voices down. Other passengers were eyeing us and asking us to speak with them. So I just did that.
Why was she cursing? Do you know?
She was using the word shit and damn, and it was
In general, or talking to the husband?
just outward. They were talking to each other, but they were very loud with it, and it was disturbing other passengers.
Okay.
So I just asked them to please just, tone down the volume and to please not curse. Other passengers were disturbed. And apparently after that, we went on and completed our service. And then once we got back to the back galley area, I had a passenger come back and inform me that she had made a verbal threat, that she was going to find me after the flight, and she was going to take me out.
And who did she say that to? Did you say that to
She
you
was
or just in
talking.
general?
She was talking with the husband. I assume it's her husband seated next to her, and it was quite loud. And the passenger seated in Charlie, which is the aisle seat in front of her.
You don't know what happened.
I was told at one point that I am naturally loud. I am really naturally loud. And I was told to watch my mouth, and I said, yes, ma'am. And I didn't say anything the rest of the flight. I just looked out the window.
Well, apparently there were several of the passengers that were disturbed by what you were doing, what you were saying. Apparently you uttered a threat
To what?
against her. Can you stand up for a second for me?
Yeah.
The first responding officers receive a B+ for calm initial contact and tactical wheelchair use. Cameron receives a D because physical resistance turned a misdemeanor situation into potential third-degree felony exposure. The deputy in the second incident receives an A- for clear communication, restrained demeanor, and on-camera witness interviews. The female subject receives a C, complying physically but giving inconsistent statements to the deputy. 3 lessons emerge. First, the captain of a commercial flight has near absolute authority to remove a passenger. Refusing crew instructions, even peacefully, triggers federal aviation law and almost always ends with law enforcement involvement. Second, the proper response to a disputed arrest is the courtroom, not the jet bridge. Physical resistance can convert a 60-day misdemeanor under Section 856.011 into a felony, carrying years in state prison under Sections 843.01 and 784.07. Third, alcohol amplifies poor judgment in environments designed for compliance. A single double drink, an offhand remark, and refusal to deplane can produce a criminal record. Stay calm, comply on scene, and litigate any grievance afterward.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come over here, turn around.
So the charge is going to be disorderly intoxication. So you're going to have to go. You're going to have to go to jail tonight. You're not going to go to jail, but she is.
What did I say?
Give me yours. Thank you. No, you don't. You don't remember.
No,
They only served you 1 double drink. You can't be that intoxicated from just one double drink. So you probably came on the plane already intoxicated, didn't you? So it got a little out of hand. That's all it is. So they're going in for public disorderly intox, and that's it.
I know, it is.
all right. So what's going to happen to me?
I'll take you down to jail, drop you off.
Okay.
We'll talk to the judge tomorrow morning.
And what about my husband?
I'm coming to get you. So, okay, you ready? I'm going straight to booking to pick you up.
That's my.
Yeah, I got all that.
That's my.
Yeah, I have all that. Thank you.